solve questions number in question number 8. You have been asked to create a file named message.txt. It will store a line of text inside it, and what we need to do is we need to open that file, and we need to display the message of that file through a pseudocode. This is our pseudocode. We are declaring a now let's see. We have declared a variable named message. This message will be copied to message file. Now we have converted. Now we are moving this text to message file. This message file will be opened for the purpose of reading. This read file will read that message, and that message will be shown on the screen. The message will be shown on the screen in the form of output, and this message file will be closed later on. In question number 9, you are supposed to tell the purpose of this for next loop. This you can see that the for next loop has started from 1. It is going iterating till 300. It is inputting the names in that the variant, and it is inputting names on every location of I starting from 1 to 300, and every time on every iteration the value of I is increasing. So the answer will be a loop. This is a loop which has 300 iterations, and that start at 1. Iterations are starting at 1. Values are input in consecutive locations in the location adjacent locations, and it will form an array named name. The name of array will be name, and it will say 300 names at the position in the array in which the index of the loop will move. If the index will be 1, the first name will be saved. If the index will be 2, the second name will be saved, etc. Then in 9b, you have been asked to identify using a pseudocode another loop structure of part A, that which other loop structure could be used. So repeat until is another loop structure. We will keep on repeating an iteration until we will start the iteration from 1. We will keep on repeating until we will get a value of 300. So repeat until is another form of iteration that can be used for this purpose. In part C, you are supposed to write an algorithm using pseudocode to input a number between 0 and 100 inclusive. The algorithm should prompt for input and output an error message if the number is outside the given range of 0 to 100. Now in our algo, we are showing this message on the screen. Our algo, we are showing this message on the screen that please enter a number between 0 and 100 inclusive. The number will be taken from the user through this input statement in the pseudocode. If the number is out of range, then we will show this output that the number is out of range. Please enter a number that is between 0 and 100 exclusive. Otherwise, the number is input inside this loop. Because the first number was input using this statement, rest of the numbers will be input using this statement, and this while loop will end over here. Thank you.